Fringe. As promised, I told you guys I was going to go ahead and cut my Perfect Fringe 4D Fringe Bang in a second video because I didn't do it in the most recent review that I did. So that is what I'm doing today. So I guess come follow along with the experiment of trimming this here fringe so that it fits my face and it's more of like a blunt front bang. Okay, so putting on this fringe, I could blend some of my own biological hair with it, but I don't want to trim any of my own bio hair. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's all brushed backwards. I don't know if this is an ideal suggestion for everybody. It might be wise for others to trim their bang on a blockhead. But for me, I want this fringe to be customized to fit my forehead and my face. That's why I want to clip it on and trim it while I'm wearing it. If you guys didn't see the review, the full review with all the information on this amazing 4D Fringe Bang by the Perfect Fringe, I will have that link down below. Also, I will have all of the links to this fringe and the Perfect Fringe's website and all of her social media platforms so you can find her and see of any specials or promos that are going on. So I am going to just go ahead and clip this fringe in. All right. I don't want any of my own bio hair in this mix. So now I'm going to figure out what I want cut and what I want to leave out. Now, if you guys feel like the middle part is too thick, this section is too thick for you, you can always repart, because this is a free part. This is a silk base, all individually hand tied. So you have the room to part this anywhere you want and have the bang as thick or thin as you desire. Now I do want some face framing fringe on the sides, so I'll leave that. I don't necessarily want it to be like precise and perfect because I don't feel like that looks as realistic. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit off at a time and then go from there. So first I'm going to take a little bit off. Take a look. That's cute. I'm actually going to plug in my flat iron while we're at it. Okay, so I guess I can do a little bit more. I'm doing a dry cut because I want to be able to see how this bang will lay once it's dry. Oftentimes when you cut your bangs when it's wet, you go to dry it and it's a lot shorter than you had anticipated because it shrinks up quite a bit. What I'm doing right here is more of a point shear technique, not straight across. And then I'm slowly tapering down into the fringe that I want to have remain available. That's cute. Should I go shorter? I don't know. It's getting kind of short. So I do recommend the point shear. Going like blunt across makes it really difficult. If you feel like you need to thin it out a little bit, you can. Or you can just go ahead and part it a little bit further down so that there's not as much of this hair pulled forward, and then you have more coverage for the back part. I don't want to go too short right now. I might trim up more as I continue wearing this piece. That's the beauty of these hair pieces is, you know, just change it up as you feel fit. If you want a change, make a more blunt cut, or do a shag bang, do a curtain bang. Do what works for you. If you see a hair that's hanging that doesn't look right, go trim it off. So now can take this section back here that wanted to lay forward, make sure that it's going back. I can pull all my hair up. Do a messy bun or whatever I'd like to do. This is when I need the Perfect Fringe messy bun in this beautiful color. Use the side fringe for tucking. And there we have it. Kind of have like a curtainy type shaggy bang going on, and I really, really like it. Let me know what you guys think, and if this was helpful. I just suggest using the point shear technique. I prefer doing it on my head because I could see where it was going to sit on my forehead. Everybody has a different face shape, you know, different forehead length, and so for me it worked that way. If you're at all nervous, you could take it in and have a hairdresser trim it for you. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, all links will be down below. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.